Natural stone floors add a beauty to a facility unlike any other flooring material. Keep those surfaces at peak condition with PATINA Stone Cleaner Conditioner. PATINA not only cleans your stone surfaces, but it also produces a dirt repellent barrier at the surface, prevents hard water damage, improves the slip resistance, and brings out the natural color and brilliance of the stone. Economically concentrated and biodegradable, PATINA is low foaming, allowing for use through automatic scrubbers. Rinsing is not required, decreasing labor time. Use PATINA daily on any stone surface and spotlight your floor's natural beauty.